everybody, this is Jesse with Colorado Shed Company. Today we wanted to feature our greenhouses. So if you are an avid gardener or you've got the itch to get a green thumb, these greenhouses might be perfect for you. We have a lot of different options within this model. So we have different polycarbonates that you can put on your roof for different UV lighting. We have a clear polycarbonate, which allows the most UV light. We have milky, and then we have a legitimate white polycarbonate. So depending on what you want, our roof options can help you get there. We also have clear siding and a metal wainscot on the bottom to protect your plants from the critters. Now let's go in and look at some of the features on the inside of our greenhouse. Now that we're checking out the inside of our greenhouses, the first thing that you're going to notice when you open the door is the rich aroma of our cedar framing. We frame these in cedar because we know that when you water your plants, the moisture is in the air, and we don't want the structural integrity of these greenhouses to be affected by that moisture content. We also have a 2-foot wraparound shelf inside the greenhouse at waist height. It's made with Trex decking. That way when you're watering your plants, that water is not going to affect your shelf. We do not have a floor in our greenhouse because when you're watering your plants, we also want to make sure that water has a place to go while it's draining. And last but certainly not least, we've installed windows in the back wall and in the front door so that you can have a cross breeze for great ventilation. Ventilation is one of the most important things to pay attention to in your greenhouse because without it, it can get really hot and you want to take good care of your plants. So if you've got some time, we would love to invite you down to our backyard storage super center to walk through these greenhouses, smell the cedar, feel the shelves, and maybe find a new home for your plants. Thanks for hanging out.